Have you ever looked at someone your age and thought, how are they already so far ahead? Same age, same job. Sometimes they even make less money than you, and yet they own the house. Their net worth is climbing, and they seem strangely calm about the future. Meanwhile, you're doing everything right. You work hard, you save, you try to be responsible, but your progress feels like it's moving in inches while they're moving in miles. Here's the part most people miss. This has almost nothing to do with intelligence, luck, or even your salary. It comes down to one hidden rule about money. And the frustrating part? Most people don't realize this rule exists until they've already lost 10 or 20 years of their life. Once you see it, you notice it everywhere. It explains why some people quietly build fortunes on ordinary salaries, while others stay stuck even with six-figure incomes. Most people believe wealth is about how much you make, but the truth is, wealth is about how early your money starts working without you. From the time we're kids, we're told a simple story: study hard, get a good job, earn more money, and eventually you'll be wealthy. It sounds logical, except for one problem. The math of hard work is linear. The math of wealth is exponential. The stock market has historically returned around 7 to 8% per year. That sounds boring. 8% doesn't feel life-changing, but the real power isn't the percentage, it's time. The hidden rule is this: the first $100,000 is a grind. Every milestone after that is a downhill sprint. Imagine two people. Person A starts at 22. They invest $500 a month into a simple index fund. By age 32, they've put in $60,000, but because of compounding, their account is already at $90,000. Now, here is the magic moment. At 32, person A stops. They never add another dollar. They just let that money sit. By age 65, that account has grown to roughly $1.1 million. Now look at person B. They wait until 32 to start. They realize they're behind, so they try to outwork the math. They invest $1,000 a month, double what person A did, and they do it for 33 years straight. By age 65, they end up with about $1.2 million. Think about that. Person B worked twice as hard and invested nearly 4 times as much of their own money just to barely catch up. That's the hidden rule. Time matters more than effort. Early investing looks slow. Year 1 is boring. Year 5 is unremarkable. Most people quit here because they don't see the snowball yet. But those quiet years are the foundation. In the beginning, you push the snowball. Later, the snowball pushes itself. There is a moment in wealth building that changes your psychology forever. It's when your investment gains become larger than your contributions. If you have $300,000 earning 8%, your money is making $24,000 a year while you sleep. When you hit $1 million, it's making $80,000 a year. At that point, your money is working harder than you are. Many people think the solution is a bigger paycheck, but income alone doesn't solve this. We've all seen the broke doctor or the struggling executive. They have high income, but zero assets. They're trapped on a treadmill of lifestyle inflation. Every raise goes to a nicer car or a bigger house, and the snowball never gets a chance to form. Wealthy people follow a different pattern. When their income goes up, their investments increase first, not their lifestyle. If you want the hidden rule working for you, do 3 things. Start before you feel ready. Time is more valuable than perfect conditions. Even $50 today beats $500 10 years from now. Automate the discipline. Willpower is a limited resource. Set it to auto-invest so you never have to decide to be wealthy. And protect the snowball. Don't interrupt compounding for a temporary luxury. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Just stay out of the way. The biggest financial advantage in life isn't your IQ. It isn't your degree. It's the courage to start before it feels meaningful. Compounding rewards the people who begin early, and it punishes the people who wait. Stop trying to outwork the math. Start letting the math work for you.